Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, we're replacing the GPS card in your U11 DuraBook tablet. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. You want to remove the SSD and battery. To do so, you just want to make sure that both of the slides are pushed to the unlock icon, and then you can remove them. Now you have to remove this bottom door plate here. It's just held down by 2 screws. Just want to remove those. Then you can slide the cover up and remove it. There'll be a protective covering over the card you also want to remove. And now you have access to your card. To make it easier, I'll remove the tape. Now it looks like there's just one connector and one screw. You just want to make sure to be careful with the connector and remove the screw. And now you can replace. Since there's nothing wrong with this one, I'll put that right back. Make sure everything is put back correctly. And now you can put that covering and the door back on. You can put your SSD and battery back in, and you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.